In this video, I'm going to talk about how to customize a Thinkific school homepage. By the end of this video, you will be able to edit by yourself a homepage for your Thinkific school. Now, let's click on Design Your Site inside Thinkific and select Site Builder. Here you can see different pages you can customize in your school and some theme settings. You can try some of them. For my meditation course, I'll start with this theme style for now and save. Then I go back to Homepage, and in the header section, you can choose different settings and you can customize them, like uploading your logo, for example, or style. Let's try a transparent background. I like it better transparent. If you like a change you made, save it and move on. In the heading section, you can edit the text displayed on your banner. Let's copy it from our Teachable school homepage and customize it. For the colors, I'll just copy the exact colors I put on Teachable. This can be much easier if you would choose 2 or more colors for your brand and save their exact name. And whenever you will need the colors of your brand, you can put them here easily. For now, let's just put the exact colors we use on Teachable. And here you can put just a color for heading and subheading. You can also choose the text size, then save the changes. In the Hero Image section, you can select an image for your banner, and here you can select the source of your image. I recommend you to use on your school and courses images that you own and took, or images that you are sure they are free to use, to avoid copyright claims. But for now, let's try web search and find an image. Let's test this one. Interesting, but let's try another one. I like this better. Let's save this. Now let's edit the Enroll button and save. And this is what we got so far. Now, let's add another section to our homepage. Here you can see what are the section choices. Let's try an image and text for our testimonial. Upload a proper image and then save the changes. Now I'll try another style because this one is too dark. Here you can customize the background as you wish, but for now I'll just use another style and save the changes. Next, let's add another section for the instructor. Let's also add this text here and then place it in the right place on the home page, just like this. Save the changes, and let's check how the home page looks on phones and full screen. And here are the 2 quick-made home pages, Teachable versus Thinkific. One key idea to remember here is that the duration of a homepage design can go from a couple of hours to a couple of weeks or more. There is always something that you can customize. In this video, I'm showing you where are the tools located. You should use them as you wish. What you need to do now is to have at least a basic homepage for your online school. Don't stress a lot about it, just put the essential information on it about your school and courses and move on. So, by now you should be able to customize a Thinkific school homepage. If not, go back and watch the video and follow the steps I showed you in this video that you can use to customize your Thinkific school homepage. This will be your assignment. Customize your Thinkific school homepage. When you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.